Hello children, let's continue our lesson reflection of light. Today we go with our activity 6. Place a mirror 1 feet or 1 feet height, 1 feet length, 1 feet breadth on the floor. You and your friends ABC stand on 4 sides of the mirror as shown in the figure 7. Adjust your places of standing in such a way that each one of you can see the image of the person opposite to you in the mirror kept on the floor. You could see the figure, children. Your friends AC are able to see images of each other in the mirror. Why can't you see their images? Ask your friend B, who is in front of you, to move a feet aside from his place. What happens? Did you see his image in the mirror? If not, why? Imagine a normal to the mirror. It would be perpendicular to the mirror as well as to the floor. Yes or no, children? 90 degrees it was. Imagine an incident ray coming from your friend B falls on the mirror, then the reflected ray from mirror and reaches you. Observe that the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. Now think why the image of your friend B is not visible to you. When he moves aside, where should you stand to see his image? Once again, imagine the incident, reflected rays and normal and assumed plane. What do you understand? That the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal should be in same plane. Only then can you see your friend. Are the incident ray coming from your friend A, reflected ray going towards your friend C, and normal in the same plane? Yes. Now let us try to answer why the mirrors in periscope are kept parallel to each other in a periscope. The incident ray in a periscope, the incident ray for the second mirror is the reflected ray of the first mirror. When these two mirrors are parallel to each other, only then the rays lie in the same plane and can pass through the windows of the periscope. The same way in your friends also. When you are on the incident ray side, your friend is on the reflected ray side, you could notice your friend. If these mirrors make small angle with each other, then the reflected ray of the first mirror may not reach the second mirror, on the reflected ray of second mirror may not pass through the window of periscope. In both cases, we can't see the object with the periscope. Now, how do we get an image in a mirror? You would have seen your image in a mirror many times, isn't it or not, children? Do you know how is it formed? During daytime, the light which falls on you gets reflected, and a number of reflected light rays from you that fall on the mirror also get reflected back. These reflected rays reach your eye and make you see your image. See figure 8 and make you see your image. See figure 8, children. Thus, formation of image in mirrors is due to reflection of light rays from the mirror. Now see figure 9 and observe the lines. They will explain how the image of a candle is formed in the mirror and how you are able to see the image of the candle in the mirror. First, candle will be reflected into the mirror. From the mirror, that image will be reflected to your eyes. Then you could see the image of the candle. Can you see the image in the mirror through the object is not seen by you? Take a mirror and an object and try. Yes, you could see. If you keep the mirror in the way that the reflected ray will be falling onto the mirror, then the image is formed. That image reflects your eyes and makes you to notice the image. All of you are sitting in your classroom. Where and how would you place a mirror to see a tree which is outside the class? Can all of you see that tree at a time? At a time, if you want to see, we have to place the mirror in such a way that the incident ray from the tree should fall onto the mirror. That mirror should give the reflected ray onto your eyes where you could see the image of the tree in the mirror. If not, what will you do so that each one of you can see the tree without changing your seat? We have to change the mirror position. Then we could notice the tree. Is there any difference between you and your image? Let's see. Stand in front of a mirror as shown in figure 11. And observe on which side of you does the pocket on your shirt appear when you look into the mirror. And even raise your hand, right hand, in front of a mirror as shown in figure 12. Which hand of your image appears raised? Mostly opposite one. So no, children. See, reflection of light. The light reflects the mirror will be reflecting to your eyes and you could see the image. You could see here also. The box kept in front of the mirror is showing the letters BOLD in reverse. Yes. To make your image to comb hair with its right hand, what will you have to do? What do these observations suggest? It suggests that in a mirror, right of an object appears left and left of the object appears right. Note that only sides are interchanged. This is called lateral inversion. Let us do this activity 7 now. Take a drawing sheet and cut it into a few pieces. Write an English letter in capitals on each piece of drawing sheet. Observe the images of the letters formed in the mirror as shown in figure 13. See, MAD, M-A-D. How is it shown in the mirror? See figure 13. Which of the images appear same as the original letter? M. A. Yes or no, children? D is shown different. Which of them appear reversed? D. Why? In the mirror we get left to right, right to left. Repeat above activity with Telugu, Hindi, Urdu letters and also with numbers 1 to 9. Then try to answer the above questions. This activity already I gave you. Yes? Once let's see. How did they appear? See here, alphabet big, alphabet small. Alphabet big, alphabet small you have, and digits 0 to 9. Yes children, you could see the mirror image. Next here, Hindi letters and Telugu letters. See the mirror images of the letters. Can you spell your name as it appears in a mirror? Write your spelling of your name and how is it appearing in the mirror right here. And on front of the ambulances, why the word ambulance is written as like this? Why? Because when ambulance come from back, we have a mirror on the right side of your bike or car. If it is written a mirror image, we could notice ambulance clearly on the mirror in reverse. On yes or no children, on the mirror. That's why this is written in this way. This is about our today's topic of reflection of light. Thank you.